Hey, Mommy. It's the number 16 Central Station tram. And here, you want to meet your cousin? Dante. Where's cousin Charlie? Okay, here comes the 16 tram. Okay, hold on.
We like to wave at the trams, and after we get off a tram, we always say thanks for the ride.
Can I see?
Yeah, you can see. Here, take a look. It's not so great. The sun's a little bit in his eyes. See, and there's the tram. There they are. See it all?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a lot.
Hi.
A lot of bicycles, too.
Hold on, Leif. My dog. My dog is barking. Sorry about that. Here we go.
Okay, here it goes. Okay, see you later, number 16 tram. See you later, number 16 tram. Hey, take a look at that. There it goes.
There it goes indeed. The old 24.
See you Sunday.
See you Sunday.
Everybody.
Bye.